Alright. It has been a hot minute since my last stream. Happy Friday to the 0 people watching this. This is just gonna be another PyNori stream where I chill with chat and whatever happens, happens. But aside from that, as you see in the title, I'll also be challenging myself by trying to beat my game from start to finish on the Omnicide route without saving at all. So if I die, I lose everything. I go back to square one. Let's start it. So yeah, I put the save data that I was using before in a separate folder. So I'm starting new this time. Okay, the game loads like normal. I guess we can just get started. There's really nothing to say. So, yeah, I'm gonna be going through my game. That's not... Oh, fuck. Like, normal. Can we not get a crash this time? That would be greatly appreciated. Terry Bite again. I got the exact same enemy. Excuse me? Okay. Alright, the battle actions work this time. Hallelujah. Okay. We're good. I just finished watching Inside Out. Well, are you gonna watch the sequel next or what? Yup, tomorrow. Sounds good. Oh, shit. I'm so used to having, Shepherd Tone in my available attacks that just seeing Treble Punch and Kick is not something my eyes are used to. Pure Cinema, I agree. I really want to see Inside Out 2. But I chose Despicable Me 4 over Inside Out 2. So I gotta wait a little longer for that. Maybe I'll see it next year, I don't know. But yeah, I did actually see Despicable Me 4 in theaters. It was cool. On Disney Plus? Oh, yeah, okay, never mind then. I'll wait till we get a ticket to, like, Cinema Cafe or something. Because there is no fucking way in hell, especially after they jacked up the prices, that my mom is gonna pay for Disney Plus. We already have way too much stuff. Netflix, Prime Video, and a bunch of other stuff. Not just for streaming services, but I'm not gonna pirate it. I prefer to watch movies legit. But I see we're, off to a great start. I died to a fucking oh dear. And I got Terry Bite again. Why do I keep getting Terry Bite as my first encounter? What is this game and its obsessions with the really strong enemies? God, I'm speaking like I downloaded this off of a shady fucking website. I'm talking about my own game like I know nothing about it. That just goes to show how peak it is, I guess. Dude, come on, man. It is a literal tin. It is a small piece of metal. I'm pretty sure you can deal damage to it, PyNori. That's more like it. Come on. Yes, okay. That's 1 of 5. I will not be fighting Megan Bite. She's way too powerful. I really cannot wait until I get to a point where I add the power scaling thing. That'll be so useful for battles. But I think that's delayed to like V3. Because I have so much content planned that V2 is going to be... V2 will have like enough content to be its own thing, and then V3 will have its own set of features. Like, that's how much I have planned, if that makes sense. I will not be fighting Oh Dear again. They've proven themselves to be more powerful than they come off to be. Pessimistic again is easy. If this game had EXP, I would say easy EXP. Or free EXP, but it doesn't have EXP yet. Just to give a perspective on how old this video is by now. The video you're watching is an edited version of a stream I did in December 2024. EXP was added in version 1.2.0, which came out in early February 2025. I'm working on version 1.6.0 now. It's mid-April 2025. That is crazy. Honestly, should I move the "if you have any relevant questions, feel free to ask" text box to the right? I don't know if it bothers you that it blocks the, bottom lines. This is off to an absolutely horrid start. Okay, Tin can't. Come on. Okay, come on. I can take him out. Take it out with a kick. Yep. Tin can't again. Okay. I just randomly reminded myself of how mid means bad in, like, modern slang. And that makes absolutely no sense, because if mid is short for middle, then surely calling something mid would mean that it's like mid-tier, like it's not good or bad. But no, modern society says that if something is mid, it's like bottom of the barrel bad, like get out type of freaking bad. And that makes no sense at all. How is something simultaneously mid and lowest tier? I thought mid was middle. Yeah, me too. But people call things mid if they don't like it, and you don't call something middle, like mid-tier, if you don't like it. Surely you would say something worse, like, oh, this is bad. I don't like this at all. Not meh, I'm neutral to it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking. There's nobody left? Oh, thank fuck. Oh, I should have... Oh. I should have waited to encounter a shop. Well, I think I'm dead. Unless I manage to get a really lucky run. But the odds of that are damn near 0. Oh. Okay, that's a start. Friday the 13th, yeah, that's true. I honestly don't know if I'll add a Halloween event. I might. But if I do, it'll probably be for V3 or something. Okay, I got another Oxcord energy drink. And I had to use it right fucking away, thanks. Okay, maybe we might get lucky. Who knows? Oh, but I don't have the Shepherd Tone attack. And the Shepherd Tone would make this a lot easier. Well, I know what to do the moment I don't know if I can afford the Shepherd Tone yet, but probably. Just one more. There we go. Now let's taunt a few times. There we go. Now she's traumatized and her attacks are going to be inconsistent. Don't you love being a horrible person in video games? I know the text is scrolling way too fucking fast for you to be able to read it, so, after the stream is over, like, feel free to, like, go back to the VOD and, like, I don't know. I don't know if Twitch has an option for, like, playback speed, but if you're able to slow it down, feel free to. Else you'll just have to resort to, like, pausing every freaking frame. I don't know. Or alternatively, I could just read out the big blobs of text as they come out. I did not word that correctly. Holy fuck. I could read the paragraphs of text as they scroll on screen, so nobody's left confused. Okay, I think we got this in the bag, but Yami is only the beginning of the problem. Fuck, I keep forgetting that I don't have to select one twice. I'm used to there being like some sort of action menu, but fight is on the very first menu, so it throws me off. Well then. What the fuck? No, no way. Don't tell me the fucking infinite Yami glitch is back. It is. No fucking way. I swear I fixed this. Why does this keep happening? Well, it's not a Shirley-XML stream without some weird fucking... And there's a buy viewers bot. Banned. Well, it's not a Shirley-XML stream if there's not some wacky shenanigans. I know that I don't really go by Shirley-XML anymore ever since I deleted my YouTube channel. Should I even call myself Shirley-XML anymore, or should I say Masako Sana? And I would much rather say Sana Masako, because that's how the name is supposed to be said, but... Christ. Wow, okay. Infinite Yami bug is back, supposedly. Oh shit. And Yami untraumatized herself, I guess. Fuck. Get traumatized. Damn it. There we go. That is so... Oh my god. That is an absolute comedy gold out of context line. Get traumatized, damn it. Awesome, man. I keep getting more and more unhinged. Every fucking day. And I'm all for it. As long as I don't accidentally make some, like, incredibly insensitive joke, then I'm all for being unhinged and out of context. I love that shit. Also, I hope you're enjoying the, technically uneven HP there. Usually you would see, like, a multiple of 10, but nope. The max HP does not end in a 0 this time. Not something you see every day. Actually, you're not supposed to see this under normal circumstances. I just don't know why the fuck the boss triggered twice. It should not be doing this. Get traumatized indeed. I wonder if it'll let me go to 84. If it does, that's funny as hell. No way. It let me go to 84. That is funny. Okay, alright. I'm genuinely surprised that Yami has not taken a single hit of damage from prayers. No, I was on the right track. I don't know why I hesitated, but she did not take an ounce of damage from prayer. That's weird. Usually she does. But I'll just treble punch her to death, I guess. And if this truly is infinite Yami and not just double Yami, then this will be very easy, but slight problem, this might set off the anti-cheat at the end of the game. I don't know. But I mean, a run's a run. Like, I didn't say I was, like, not allowed to cheat. But this is sort of like an unintentional cheat. Like, I wouldn't cheat if I wouldn't voluntarily cheat. That's what I'm trying to say. But if something happened on accident that could be technically counted as a cheat, I don't care in the moment, but I'll patch it out later. But I swear to fuck I fixed this. I don't know why Yami's showing up twice. Treble Panuch, nice. If she appears for a third time, I'm gonna be very pissed. Oh shit, the foreign stimulant, finally. If Yami's traumatized, there's a slight chance that you'll get a foreign stimulant instead of, an Oxcord energy drink when you get the item thing. Let's take it, let's see what happens. I better not die. My attack increased by 1, well that'll definitely help. Alright, now we're neck and neck, let's see. Oh yeah, that's very helpful. Come on. 40, okay. I think it's very obvious who the winner is here. I think I could just finish her off with a kick. Yup. Okay, so I killed Yami twice. Let's see if she appears a third time. No, I'm in Temple Town now. Well, on the bright side, if something, happens, then I'll lose everything. So I will not be keeping these flawed stats. I think I will die to something, honestly. Oh, shit, my level increased already. I completely forgot, about the 8 kill thing. Like, don't mind me, I'm just thinking out loud. My thoughts are a mess. Why? Why does this game keep finding unique ways to break every fucking time? Every time I run this game on stream, there is something different that's wrong about it. Or wrong with it, you know what I mean. Now it's not running the enemy attack logic upon skipping the turn. I am so confused. Why does this game love breaking so much? This is why version 1 is delayed. I just keep adding shit to the game and it keeps fucking breaking. And then there's like really obscure shit that I didn't even know was wrong with the game. that I discover while fucking around in like school or something. I was actually able to get Python installed on like one of those Windows laptops in my first block for computer programming, and I've been playtesting my game here and there on the school laptop. I figured out that if a party member's if the first name, the first not first name, if if the first letter of a party member's name is in lowercase, it completely breaks the game when trying to load the inventory. I do not know why. I do not know why capitalization matters, but it does. So that's very interesting. So I straight up made it impossible to have lowercase first letters in your party members under normal circumstances. But yeah, sorry for the yap fest. This first infinite, not technically not infinite Yami, just double Yami in this case, and then the freaking skip turn logic isn't working. There is always something wrong with this game in some way, shape, or form. I don't know. But anyway, this better land. Okay, there we go. Sorry, Clef. Why? That came out like a freaking TTS voice. Like, that sounded like it lacked emotion. Sorry, Clef. Oregano, what's up, man? You're dead. After this area, I am technically constantly in danger. Because there are these enemies that I added into the game called Corrupted Soul and question mark, question mark, question mark. And their logic for sparing or fleeing from battle is modified to where they roll a die to determine what happens, like what the fate of the battle is. And one of the options is you just straight die. Like, instantly. So if I encounter a corrupted soul or question mark, question mark, question mark, and they roll a 1, which is to instantly die, I lose everything. And I can encounter them completely at random, starting after Tampable Town. Oh, wait. Wait. Shepherd Tone, yes. I need the Shepherd Tone. Okay, PyNori, Shepherd Tone, I learned a new attack. I think I'm gonna leave that be for now, but from here on out, I am always in danger. There we go. I love having Shepherd Tone in my attack list. I've gotten so used to having Shepherd Tone in my attack list, so this is very comforting. I mean, it wasn't, oh, fuck me. This is exactly what I was talking about. Well, let's see what happens. Make or break. Okay, that's technically neither make nor break. Let's roll again. I don't think spares matter after you get past Tampable Town. I think they only matter beforehand. I really don't know. But I don't think counting spares past Tampable Town would be fair. I just wanted to, like, for Omnicide to happen, I wanted to, like, make it so that the player had to be merciless in the first 2 areas to trigger it. So really, after Tampable Town, I don't think spares matter, so I'm not going to care that much. I don't know. Sorry for the yap again. Shepherd Tone. Really? Awesome. Let's try that again. Bro, what? Dude, why? Am I too weak? Like, I'm technically over leveled right now. What do you mean my attacks keep missing? Let me try kicking. How did I fucking know? Why? Is this just really shitty RNG? Is my Shepherd Tone gonna work all of a sudden after this? I swear to God. Yup. It just magically works. Shepherd Tone attack is jammed? Oh, just give your enemy a little kick. It'll fix it right up. Even though the attacks have 0 correlation. Oh, and now I can't attack a 2 HP enemy? Fuck right off. There we go, my level increased. I wonder how fast I'll be able to make it to 100 HP, given that I'm over-leveled. I should be at, like, level... Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 from Yami. That brings me to level 5. I leveled up in Temple Town. So that's 6. I should be, like, level 7 right now. Possibly 8, I don't know. Probably 7. Okay, I can take down this young woman with... Oh, yeah. Just kicks alone. Tin can't. Buddy, just kick you to death. Don't mind me. Dear God, no thanks, man. Let's do Treble Punch. What'll happen? Oh, that's not that powerful. Or it's not that much more powerful. Hot Pessimistic. That is supposed to be a Tangal Volcano enemy, so that's interesting. This is not a bug, actually. This is still working as intended. Because, in the Omnicide route, the enemy pools are randomized. Because fun. So, yeah. Interesting to get an enemy that's supposed to be in a future area in, like, the 3rd area. I think Tangal Volcano is... It's the 6th area. Man... I bet if that Treble Punch landed, I would have one-shot Emeralda. God damn it. Make or break. And please don't break. Break! Oh. Fucking why, man? Why do you do this shit to me? Oh my god. Okay. For this next run, I'm gonna run it in step mode because I have no fucking idea why the skip turn logic isn't working. I don't know why that's the case. What is going on with the skip turn logic? Okay, man. Okay, man. It's suddenly working perfectly fine. What in the actual fuck is going on? I'm so confused. Why? Was that, like, specific to Clef or something? Did I mess something up? I am so confused. Let's just get this over with. I'm pretty sure this is a Clef exclusive issue. Unless it happens again on a completely different enemy, I'm not gonna worry about it yet. But yeah, that's a problem for future me. Ayo! Why do I still have Shepherd Tone? No wonder the fucking thing said the save isn't new. This is a new run, and I still have the attack, and I never saved. I think this is another case of me just relying on directly on the INI file instead of, like, depending on the user saving. I don't know, but we're gonna ignore that. Like I said, accidental cheats don't count. It's only the intentional cheats that count. And these are not intentional cheats at all. I will patch this out later if I remember to. Ooh, I have an opportunity. I don't think I'm going to be able to deal enough damage. Chat's dead? Yeah. Sadly, a lot of the chat interaction is going to depend on, like, viewers sharing my stream with people that would be interested in shit like this. And sadly, that does not, like... There's not, I was trying to be verbose with what I was saying, but basically not a lot of people would be interested in this. Well, it's for a lot of reasons, actually. Nobody knows who the fuck I am. Nobody knows what the fuck this game is. And I'm very boring when it comes to conversation, and my stream is very bare bones, and I hardly have any followers. And people tend to be very judgmental. They love to judge books by their covers. So, yeah, that's why my shit is so inactive here in comparison to the engagement I got on YouTube. Hell, my first fucking video on my new channel, the intro video, got like 150 views. And that's my first public video on that channel. So that just goes to show how different the Twitch and YouTube algorithms are, as well as the users. Because I think if Twitch users were like YouTube users, I would be getting at least a few more viewers on average in my streams. But instead, I'm lucky to even get fucking, what, 5, 6? Man, I really cannot believe that I got 2 lucky Yami runs in a row, and then that got thrown away by a freaking corrupted soul encounter. That's what I'm talking about with the, like, constant danger thing. Once you get past Temple Town, you're never safe again. You could lose everything. Which is why this challenge is so, like, unrealistic, but I'm trying it anyway. Honestly, this might be another series alongside playing the game with like real life RNG, as in me tossing a die around for 2 hours mindlessly. Not exactly mindlessly, but this could be like the alternate series, just playing the game normally but without saving and killing everything in the process and seeing how far I can get before getting fucked over by a single encounter. What? Oh, huh? What fucking amalgam was I about to type? I was about to type kickle. I don't know why. My nose is kind of stuffy. Like, my nose is stuffy to the point where, like, I notice that my voice slightly changed, but it's not to the degree of, like, alright, hey guys, it's Shirley-XML here, and today I'm gonna be doing some other bullshit that's not even gonna get, like, 50 views. You know what I'm saying? Okay, Yami battle again. Let's see if I get lucky. Oh, so far, yes. There we go. And double Yami did not happen this time. I don't know what caused it to happen last time, but we're in Temple Town now. Quick explanation as to why the Yami fight happened twice last time. I started the fight on step 20. One of the ways you can trigger this fight is by getting to step 21, which is the step after the Tonin Kiku village. The other way to trigger it is to try to advance to Temple Town after killing all 5 enemies, but without making it to step 21. This will start a cutscene where Yami distracts you and tricks you into getting within battle range, thus starting her fight. When you finish the fight, you take a free step forward. This means that I automatically took the 21st step, which accidentally triggered the fight again. I'm pretty sure the game was already at a point where Yami had her own flag in PyNori.ini to make sure her fight only happens once. If that is the case, I feel like the variable that keeps track of this in-game was either not updated in time or updated in the wrong way. I doubt this bug is still present in the game, but if it is, at least I have an idea of where to start when trying to patch it out. I should have gone to a shop, but I think I'll be fine, cause I already have a few Oxcord energy drinks. Yeah, I have 2. So I should be fine. Okay, I insta-killed a snake. That was lucky. Pretty sure I would have gotten my ass beat if that didn't insta-kill it. Clef. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Clef-specific issue. Then again, I did forget to test, the skip turn on other enemies, but, yeah. Is Miyu strong enough to kill me? No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is a Clef thing. Okay. So I only have to take a look at the logic for Clef, because apparently I fucked something up in that. Somehow. But whatever. Can Oregano hit me? Well, no, because they died in one hit. And there we go. I am forever unsafe once again. Emeralda. I don't trust you. I think you're a waste of vocal points. Snake, absolutely not. I'm gonna get my ass beat. Okay, Scarecrow is a free kill. X-Punch, absolutely not. Pessimistic is another free kill. Okay, Scarecrow is another free kill. Enemy incoming. Little boy. Level increased? Okay. Young man, let's treble punch. Okay. Alright. Let's see. No, man. Already? Okay, make or break. Okay, that's neither make nor break, just like last time. Come on, please make. Break! Again, man! Every fucking time, man. Without fail. Alright, I really don't know how long I'm going to do this, so I'm going to probably keep this around 2 hours in length. Because this is definitely not appeasing the followers. Or the Twitch algorithm. I can't believe it. I got 3 lucky Yami runs. And lost them all to Corrupted Soul. I cannot believe it. I lost 3 lucky Yami runs. All first try runs. To freaking Corrupted Soul, man. Corrupted Soul is the bane of my existence. Okay, finally, something I can actually kill. Pessimistic. Tin can't. I'm gonna have to Shepherd Tone. I'm sorry. Of course it missed, man. Bet it's gonna miss again. Okay, I was wrong. For once. In a good way. Okay, there's nobody left, finally. And I instantly fucking died. Huh? Okay, the logic for the error message broke there. Story of my life. Yeah, you know what? I think that's good. Let's just... There's nobody left, right? Yeah. And the 3-shot slingshot doesn't work on Yami. That is fucking awesome. So, I either live or die here. I die. Yeah, this is very much not possible in the game's current state. Okay, if I get really bored, I'll bump this down to 1 hour and a half, which will leave us with 20 more minutes. But if I feel determined enough, I'll push this to 2 hours. But this is getting boring even for me. God damn. No wonder nobody watches this. Now I have no items, so the inventory's still working properly. And... okay, I'm still alive. And I am no longer alive. Sweet. I really hope you can't hear the super loud music downstairs, because that is a one-way ticket to an easy copyright strike. Let's see if I live this time. So far, so good. Fuck. And I'm dead, okay. Dude, if I die to oh dear again, I'm gonna fucking end the stream. I'm not kidding. If I die to oh dear again, I'm ending the stream. No fucking way. Well, that's the stream. Alright, thanks for watching.